Hi, Collective. Welcome to the reading. Let's see what is going on with the person on your mind. What is the energy? Let's do energy check in. Okay, we have the first card here. You have the Seven of Wands. You have cut someone out of your life. We have the Tower. Yes, you have cut someone out of your life. Like you have made a decision to walk away, and this person is feeling very affected by it. This person feels that you are in this energy where you are changing your life for good. Like you are not accepting bare minimum. Like you are in this very fierce mindset where you want to achieve the things that you want to achieve in life, and you know that specific people and their energy is bringing you down, and you are on a mission. Yeah, literally, you're on a mission to change your life for the better. And with the tower being here, there is something which was so devastating between the two of y'all. I'm picking up on a fight or an argument, but I think like it was more like a silent thing. You didn't actually express yourself. Like you didn't do, you didn't confront this person. You just walked out silently. That's what I'm picking up on. Even if you didn't walk out silently, you were very precise and short in what you want to say to this person. Your actions were speaking louder. This person is very affected by that. We have the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. You were expecting something. Yeah, we have the High Priestess. I think you were in this energy where you were expecting something. You were expecting like a newness in the connection, newness in the bond, newness in the relationship, and you didn't actually, like, this person didn't reciprocate that. This person didn't match your energy. And now you're in this energy where you are trusting your intuition more, you're trusting your gut feeling more. And that is something which is very shocking for this person, because you were not that type of an individual who would, you would accept this person back in your life, like you would welcome them back. Even when things were very disrespectful, you would be okay with it. You would give them chances because you knew that this connection is stronger than any other connection that you have felt in your life. So I'm picking up on a very strong resonating energy, like, someone who understands you on a soul level. But sometimes, the actions of the person doesn't match the frequency that they carry, and that can happen because of a lot of things. So there is something about this connection which is going through a transformation, more like a renewal energy. We have the High Priestess here. You're coming up as a High Priestess. Yeah, we have the Ten of Swords. I think, you're in this energy where you're realizing that, this person is just bringing you a lot of bad luck. This person is bringing your energy down, and that is something which you're not entertaining anymore. You are just in this headspace where you're not going to accept the bare minimum. Like, I am picking up on someone who's just like done. Yeah, I'm picking up on someone who's just done. Like, done is done. Yeah. And with the High Priestess card being here, I think, like, there were a lot of sleepless nights. Like, this is not something which was an easy decision for you. I'm picking up on someone who has thought about this decision for a very long time. I think you are someone who has a lot of dreams. Like, you get prophetic dreams. Like, yeah, you understand, like you understand how to understand your dreams, how to get a message from your dreams, and that is something which is guiding you out of this situation. With the Ten of Swords being here, this person is totally devastated, I think, because they are not as expressive as you are, they are not as confrontational as you are, and that is eating them up alive. Like, this person is rotting on the inside. We have the Ten of Swords. Okay, tell me more about this person's current energy. Yeah, we have the Wheel of Fortune. Tell me more about this person's current energy, please. We have the Four of Cups, and we have the Apprentice of Cups. This person is in this space, in this mindset where they have fluctuating emotions towards this entire thing, because sometimes they feel that the situation can flip, the situation can go back to normal, can go back to square one anytime, but then they lose hope as well because of the transformation. Your energy has changed very drastically, very significantly, and I think on the outside you might not notice, or you might not realize how fast your change was. Like, it was like a switch. And on the other hand, this person is at the receiving end of it, so they do realize that. And they feel some type of way, but I'm picking up on someone's energy who is just, mm, you know what, like, I'm sorry, but like, your person is just letting it go. Your person is just in this space where there's a lot of hands here. Like, I can see four hands. There's something about hands, like holding hands. This person remembers a specific moment where you touched each other's hands. Like I'm picking up on someone who's feeling very electric, like with the with your hands, something about hands. This person likes your hands. What I'm picking up on, this person is in this energy where they don't really know how to move forward in this connection. This person was just taking it as it comes. Like this person was always in this energy of go with the flow. Like, let's not decide how to move in the connection forward. Like, yeah. So this person is now in this energy where they feel the total loss. Like they feel like they have lost you. Yeah. Tell me more about the situation, please. We have the Oracle of Pentacles. Tell me more about the situation. We have the Magician and we have the World card. A lot of major arcanas in this energy. Yeah, this needed to happen. Whatever this situation is, this definitely needed to happen because this situation needs to go through a massive transformation, and it won't happen if you're connected. Like you are learning a lesson about your self-worth and your journey as an individual, how you need to be more focused on your life, your healing, and the purpose of your existence. Like I'm picking up on major, you are someone who's going to help a lot of people. You have a lot of gifts. Maybe you are a healer, maybe you are an artist, maybe you are a engineer. I don't know what you are. Your profession might be very different, but you're meant to help a lot of people with your energy and with your uplifting spirit. And because this person was draining that out of you, you were not able to see yourself for the way you are, and now this person is forcefully exiting your life. Like you had to push this person out of your life, and this person is devastated because of it. With the World and the Magician being here, this person is trying to manifest you, but at the same time they know that it's not going to work out this time because you're not that person anymore. Like this person just knows that you are not that type of an individual. It's not something which is hard for them to register, but it's just taking a long time for them to register because the change is so swift. They are not understanding the speed of it. And on the other hand, you're just, I think you have quantum leaped. Like, you've just like switched into a different type of an individual, like overnight. Yeah, overnight might be a jargon, but like, you just had enough is enough, something like that. This person is also thinking that you are manifesting a lot of things in your life. Like you are just in this go getter mindset where you want to focus all of this energy onto yourself, and I think they can feel the energetic cord being cut. Like you pull your energy back, and this person can feel that. This person knows that you don't think about them the way you used to think about them. You're not putting them up on a pedestal anymore. Yeah, this person is devastated. We have the Nine of Swords. This person is in a very overthinking, but at the same time, like ignoring the truth. They are not taking accountability for how they are responsible in this situation, how they know that whatever they are doing is not actually working out, but they don't want to accept it. They just want to be in this space, in this energy where they can ignore it for a little while. Like this person needs more time. This person might have a problem with procrastination. Like this person has an issue with processing their emotions at that point itself. Like this person takes a little while to understand their emotions because they are a different individual than you. So yeah, they do take a little while longer to understand their emotions. Okay, let me check what's the future for this connection. Let me check what's the future for this connection. What's the future? What can my collective expect in the future, in the coming future? We have the Champion of Pentacles in reverse. I think I'm just gonna shuffle the cards one more time. What can my collective expect in the near future? We have the Ten of Cups. You can expect a reconciliation, but like what I am picking up on, Ten of Cups is indicating your energy. I'm picking up on someone who is just so sure about the fact that they don't want to accept the bare minimum. And if this person doesn't change their ways and be more emotionally available, you are done with this situation. But with the Ten of Cups being here, coming up as the future card, I do see a reconciliation. Yeah, we have the justice, we have the ace of swords. This person is going to clarify something for you. This person is going to tell you the truth. This person is going to accept and be more vulnerable in front of you. This person is going to be more accepting of the fact that they need to change certain aspects of themselves. And I'm picking up on strong energy that you are going to be emotionally fulfilled. Like, I'm picking up on someone who's just so detached, and you're so focused on your self love, self journey, like with yourself, that you are, either way you're going to be in a 10 of cups, like you're going to be very emotionally fulfilled. Yeah, that's all I see for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your situation. Bye bye, see you in the next reading.